Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can download the EAFC 24, the mobile beta version. So make sure that you stay first until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important information that I am going to show you or tell you. So let's get on it. So the EA Sports FC 24 mobile beta will be available to download worldwide on iOS starting August 2nd this year. So Electronic Arts says a special test flight uplink will be shared to the EA FIFA Mobile official Twitter account this Wednesday, and you will need to access the link to install the demo. So, unfortunately, the EA FC beta is limited, so you will need to access the link very quickly. And the official guide from the Electronic Arts also says you need an iPhone or iPad that runs iOS 13 or higher. And of course, you will also need a valid Apple ID. But if you don't own an Apple device, you can play on Android, but only in a very few countries. So those countries, so you can download the EA Sports FC 24 mobile beta for Android from the Google Play Store in following few countries, and that is Canada, Malaysia, Australia, and Romania. So the demo has begun on Android, and it lasts until August 31st again. And again, it will start on the August 2nd for iOS after Electronic Arts has shared the test flight link on Twitter. So that's it for this video. That's how you can possibly download the EA Sports FC 24 mobile beta on your phone. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.